In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel, also known as a metapixel, to your Wix website. This is a straightforward way to begin tracking the actions of visitors on your site, allowing you to enhance your advertising efforts on Facebook and Instagram. So sit back and follow along for an easy-to-understand guide to integrating this essential tool. To begin, head over to Wix.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard that displays all your Wix sites. Choose the specific site where you'd like to add the metapixel. It's essential to verify that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you've selected your site, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the dashboard. This is where we'll navigate to the right section. Find and click on Marketing and SEO. This area is specifically designed to enhance your site's visibility and marketing capabilities, making it the perfect place for adding your metapixel. After clicking on Marketing and SEO, you'll want to look for Marketing Integrations. It might not pop up immediately on your screen, so feel free to use the search bar and type in Marketing Integrations to locate it quickly. Once you're in the Marketing Integrations section, you'll come across the option for Metapixel and CapEye. This is Facebook's powerful tracking tool that enables you to collect valuable data about your web traffic. Click on Connect to start the process. It's at this point that you'll need to ensure that your site is on a premium plan, as this feature is not available on the basic plans. Having a premium plan offers a host of other benefits, so it's worth considering if you want to make the most out of your site. When your site is upgraded, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The process is guided, so simply follow along. It's designed to be as intuitive and user-friendly as possible. By finishing this integration, your Facebook pixel will now be live, enabling you to track the interactions of your visitors efficiently. And there you have it. With this setup, not only can you track your web visitors, but you can also create more targeted and effective advertising campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. This small but powerful addition to your website will undoubtedly help you gain deeper insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more tutorials on optimizing your Wix website with ease. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.